so this is part 2 with the Dirt Devil stick vac. Let's turn it on and see how it runs. Here we go. Well, that's nice and quiet. Here's the brush bowl. This is a really quiet vacuum.
Is it light?
Yeah, it's really lightweight. You can just carry this thing up and down the stairs. And it's perfect for bare floor and carpet. But we don't have a carpet.
Show me the brush roller again. Show me how to open the...
And this is how you open the dirt container. You just flip this, and that just releases the dirt container.
Is it a washable filter?
Yep, that's the filter right inside. See if you guys can see it well.
And you can take the stick vac out, but we haven't figured it out yet. We'll have to read the instructions. Snap it.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
This is a little bit tricky taking it back in.
Where's the crevice tool?
And I'm going to also go ahead and show you the crevice tool. This is going to be hard to get out. Oh, well that's pretty easy. So here's the crevice tool.
Nice and light.
Nice and lightweight vacuum.
How do you put it back together?
You just put this right here.
And then what?
And then put the
Stick
handle
back.
back on. And then you twist it this way and that locks it into place. And then you put the crevice tool back in.
Snap it on?
You just snap it on. Snapping this crevice tool is kind of tricky. Ugh.
You did it before. 2 hands? Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
See,
It'll
it's
probably
kind of tricky.
It'll get easier as you use it.
Yeah. So, here's the brush roll. Watch. Looks like this is the ending of this video. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.